Hey, if you want to find your Huawei FreeBuds Pro free, I can recommend you to try to use this feature in the Huawei AI Life application called Defined Earphones. So when you open it, you will be able to play sound from your left or the right earbud, and it will this will be definitely useful when you lost your earbud, for example in your house or any other quiet place like a library or your office. But when you are outside, I'm not sure if you will be able to hear that sound. So take a look. You have to click to play the sound. Tap play. So that's the sound that is right now coming from the left earbud. It's gently, and yeah, that's basically it. That's all that you can do when you lost your earbud. Maybe it will be useful for you. That's all. Bye bye.